welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this DIY Valentine's Day balloon hoop. So we're going to be taking some pretty red, white, and pink balloons, adding a little bit of florals to it, and decorating this oversized 6.5 foot hoop that I purchased online. But it's going to be really, really pretty, and it's going to be a really great idea for a Valentine's Day party or event. To make this balloon hoop, I'm going to be using 2 packs of these red balloons that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I have 6 packs of the light pink rose petal balloons from Walmart. And then I have 2 packs of the 72 count celebrated white balloons from Walmart. I also purchased some of these 260 balloons because I'm going to use the red, pink, and the white ones to shape my balloon hoop once I'm done. I have bushels of red florals. I have bushels of pink rose florals, and also some greenery that I can use. So I'm going to be using all of these products right here to basically complete this balloon hoop. I also did get some of these 17-inch round balloons from Walmart. Now in the pack you have red, yellow, and blue. I'm going to be using the big red ones. I have 2 of these, and I might end up getting some white ones, but we're just going to play with it as we go along. I have an electric pump that I'm going to be using to blow up all of the balloons, and I'm going to blow them up in different sizes. I'm going to pair these together. I'm just going to twist them together. Alright, so this is one pair, and if you can see, the red one is a little bit bigger than the pink one, but I'm going to do another set for you that's going to be a little smaller. So now I have a super big pink one and a lighter white one, and then on this one we have a really big pink one and a smaller white. So you see a little bit of the variation of the sizes going on right now. Alright guys, so I have 2 pairs right here. I'm going to take these and twist them together. Basically just join it, take your finger and just twist it. And then you develop a quad. So now I'm going to take my quad and I'm going to attach it to the side of my hoop right here. I'm just going to put it on here in between 2 balloons, and then I'm going to twist it around and move it down. I'm going to repeat the same steps. Take 2 balloons together, make a quad, go over to my balloon hoop, and place it in between 2 balloons, and twist it and push it down so that you can't see the hoop. I have 2 clusters of 3, and these are 5-inch balloons, which are the smaller ones that's going to give the hoop some definition. So what I'm going to do is take a 260 right here, and I'm going to tie a cluster to one end of the 260, basically like this, and then I'm going to take this other cluster right here and tie the other end to it. And it's going to create this right here. So just make sure that you're tying at least 2 to 3 knots on both ends so that it doesn't come loose, because you're going to have a lot of tension going against this one. And so I'm gonna go over here basically and find a spot and start shaping my balloon hoop. So right here at the top is gonna be a good place for me to show you guys how I'm going to shape it. So I'm gonna get my ladder so that I can reach it because I'm a little short. I'm gonna climb up here. So I'm gonna put one end of the balloon right here. Alright. Then I'm gonna take this other end and just go right there. So you see how I have basically created dimension here and here. I'm gonna turn this around because I want you to be able to see the cluster of 3 in it. So there we go. So here's my first little cluster of 3 right here, and then here's the second cluster of 3 up here. And you can kind of see how much smaller this section is as opposed to that section. So now I'm just gonna go all the way around both sides of the balloon hoop, adding in the clusters of 5-inch balloons so that I can shape it and show more dimension, and then we'll follow that up with our flower stems. So this is the way that it turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. I love the variation of sizes and the fullness in it, and I also love the little bits of roses that I have going throughout the entire balloon hoop. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be sharing more balloon displays on my channel, and I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day weekend, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye, daisies.